Most men think chasing a woman will make her want them, but that's exactly what pushes her away. The truth is, the most attractive men aren't the ones who beg for attention. They're the ones who naturally pull women in without even trying. Today, I'm going to break down how to make any woman chase you using powerful Stoic principles. Women are instinctively drawn to men who radiate confidence, purpose, and emotional control. If you've ever felt like you had to overcompensate to get a woman's attention, it's because you've been playing the game all wrong. The moment you stop chasing is the moment she starts noticing you. Stay until the end, because the final strategy is the ultimate attraction switch. Most men get this wrong, but once you master it, women will see you as a rare, high-value man they can't ignore. 1. Stop seeking validation. Women are wired to test a man's confidence. If you constantly seek validation, whether it's through excessive texting, fishing for compliments, or always trying to prove your worth, you instantly lower your value. A high-value man doesn't need external approval. He already knows his worth. What not to do? Over-texting or double-texting. If she hasn't replied, give her space. Asking for approval, saying things like, "Do you like me?" or "Am I your type?" screams insecurity. Changing your opinions to match hers, this shows a lack of backbone. Stoic fix. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Instead of seeking validation, focus on building a strong sense of self. When you genuinely believe in your own value, women will naturally sense it and become more attracted to you. Action step. Next time you're tempted to over-explain yourself or seek approval, pause and ask, would a man who values himself do this? If the answer is no, walk away with confidence. 2. Use scarcity to increase attraction. People value what they can't easily have. When you're always available, you become predictable, and predictable is boring. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose, ambition, and a life outside of chasing them. How to flip the script. Be selective with your time. Don't drop everything for her. A man on a mission is always in demand. Take longer to reply. If you're always responding instantly, you signal that you have nothing better to do. Let her wonder about you. Prioritize your goals over women. Women respect men who have direction. If your life revolves around impressing her, she'll lose interest. Key quote: if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Epictetus action. Step. Next time she texts you, don't rush to reply. Instead, finish what you're doing first. When you stop making her the center of your world, she'll naturally start chasing you. 3. Master the push-pull dynamic. Women don't just want a man, they want an experience. If everything is predictable and one-dimensional, she'll lose interest. The push-pull dynamic works because it creates excitement, unpredictability, and emotional engagement. How to apply it? Give her attention, then pull back. Keep her engaged, but don't be too available. Let her wonder about you. Be fun and engaging, then become busy. Show her a great time, then disappear for a bit. She'll crave your presence. Tease her playfully, then act indifferent. Light teasing creates attraction, but overdoing it can make you seem needy. Example, instead of texting her constantly throughout the day, engage in a fun, flirty conversation. Then go radio silent for a few hours. She'll start wondering, why isn't he texting me? That curiosity builds attraction. Key Stoic. Quote: if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Marcus Aurelius. Action step. Next time you're with her, make her laugh, tease her a little, and build chemistry. Then the next day, focus on yourself and your goals. Watch how she starts chasing your attention. 4. Make her earn your attention. Most men put women on a pedestal, thinking attraction is about impressing them. But the truth is, women respect and desire men they have to earn. If you give your attention too freely, it loses its value. How to shift the dynamic? Let her invest in the conversation. Instead of trying to entertain her, pause and let her carry the interaction too. Ask high-value questions. Make her prove she's worth your time. What's something unique about you that most guys don't notice? Walk away if she's not reciprocating. If she's not putting in effort, don't chase. A high-value man never begs for attention. Key Stoic. Quote, "A man's worth is no greater than his ambitions." Marcus Aurelius. Action. Step. Next time you talk to a woman, resist the urge to impress her. Instead, sit back, observe, and let her work for your valid. Watch how her interest grows when she realizes you're not like other guys. 5. Focus on purpose, not chasing. The most attractive men aren't those who chase women, they're the ones who chase greatness. Women naturally gravitate toward men who have a strong sense of purpose. 6. The ultimate mindset shift: be willing to walk away. The moment a woman realizes you're not afraid to walk away, the power dynamic shifts. You go from chasing to being chased. Conclusion: women don't chase men who seek approval. They chase men who are in control of their lives. If you want to flip the script, focus on: stop seeking validation. Confidence is silent. Insecurity is loud. Which of these strategies do you already use? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Stoic attraction insights, and turn on notifications.